We're the people who do stuff, and today we're gonna make. We thought of a video. Yeah.
We're gonna see what's inside a BB gun handle.
So it feels a little tiny bit heavy, but what is it? What's inside? So we're gonna find out by smashing it or something.
All you need to get is just
A BB gun.
a BB gun, and then just
Take off the handle.
So first test to try to see what's inside the handle
Okay.
is that we're gonna throw it on the floor. Okay, so first we're gonna try as light as we can.
Okay.
Well,
It already broke in pieces. Let's see what's inside. Wow. I thought we would have to try 1,000,000 times. Whoa. And I can do a backflip. Watch. Okay, anyways.
there's this squishy little tiny cushion in there.
What the? Hey. Wow, there's a cushion.
There's another little squishy thingy.
Wow.
Soft.
What's the heavy part?
This is the heavy part.
What could it's a stone. Feels like a stone.
I think it's metal. And here is the other pieces
Mm-hmm.
of the broken part. We'll throw those away. So now, I'm gonna try to see what's in here. I'll have to try a lot to try to break it.
It'll take 10 years.
We do it on our first try. It's very heavy.
Okay, now we're back up the stairs and we're gonna try to throw the metal thing we found.
Yeah. So first, we're just gonna throw it lightly.
Ready, set, go. Nope, nothing at all. Nothing. 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 Okay, so we found out with that it broke a little bit. What? What?
It did not. I was just kidding. It did not break a little bit.
It broke in half?
Can you put outside?
Oh. Okay, so it broke in half.
It didn't break in half. This is just another piece.
Oh. Never mind. That's sad.
This is rusty.
It's rusty.
So we'll.
What? See a what? A packet? No. Continue.
Okay.
So now we're gonna throw it again.
Now we're gonna throw the rusty one. Keep this right here. Looks like a bullet.
Where is it? Oh, there it is.
So now we're gonna throw it as hard as we can because we know that's hard. So ready?
Ready, set, go. Nothing. 0 damage. Okay, so we're back, and now we're gonna do attempt. Yeah, that's.